How to send high quality video in WhatsApp. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, if you wanted to send a video that's high quality in WhatsApp, it usually compresses and shrinks that video size, which affects the quality. So instead of sending it as high quality, it will be low resolution, low quality. And the reason for that is because people, when want to send videos, they usually use these options such as camera and gallery, and WhatsApp is automatically going to lower the quality by compressing the video to a lower size. However, what you need to do instead is to use the document option instead of camera and gallery. So let's go ahead and send the video as document. Click on it and let's locate the video. Say for example this one right here. Let's click to send it. As you can see right here, the video will be sent with its original quality, meaning that it will not be compressed or shrink or something like that. If you clicked on it, you will see that the video will be playing normally. It's very easy and simple process. Just send it as document, not using the camera or gallery option. So that was it for this video. That's how you can send a video using high quality in WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.